And here's today's A Car Dealership is Not Your Friend proof. I'm Stuart with Your Car Haggler, and we help clients navigate the craziness of these menus that car dealerships are getting very comfortable presenting such crazy offers to clients. So I'm going to go through it with you. Got my little finance manager hat. Going to pretend that I'm a finance manager and go through all of these great options and tell you why you need the custom one because it was custom built for you. Client leasing a vehicle in Maryland, and the car is being shipped up to her New Hampshire because lack of supply, and we just overall got her a better deal. So the finance manager was generous and kind enough to send our client some options to help protect their lease purchase. Let's go over them, and you tell me which of these you might get talked into buying, because to me, none of them are worth it, and I'm going to tell you why. So let's talk about their basic plan. Congratulations on your purchase. Let's talk about some ways for you to help protect your investment and get the best ownership experience out of your new lease, shall we? So your current base payment is $677 a month. But for $688 a month, you can actually cover your prepaid maintenance over the course of your lease. That sounds like a great choice, right? Let's math. I love math. $688 a month is the lease payment with the prepaid maintenance with a $677 base payment. So $11 a month for 2 oil changes, not tire rotations or enough oil changes throughout the duration of her 15,000 mile per year lease. It clearly states 24 months or 20,000 miles. Now it's a Honda, so it actually comes with 1 year. So I can't even guarantee that the dealership isn't quoting her an overlapping coverage. But we're not even going to get into that. We're just going to pretend it's actually really 2 oil changes, but $385 for 2 oil changes on a Honda Pilot with no tire rotations does not seem like a good deal to me. Does it seem like a good deal to you? We actually have our standard plan. That was the basic. Basic it's kind of basic, but let's talk about our standard plan. It's actually not the one that most of our clients go with. Most of our clients go with the custom plan, which we custom build just for you. But let's talk about the standard plan. So, the standard plan does include that prepaid maintenance that I talked to you about. So that way, you're covered. You don't have to worry about your oil changes. Notice what I did there. I actually didn't mention how many there were, how long there were, even though it's on the paper. Most people don't read that. They just hear, "Oh, I'm not going to have to pay for oil changes." And on top of the oil changes and the prepaid maintenance that I'm telling you about, which is such a great value add, and it's going to save you a lot of money. We have the Mile 1 assurance. So for 36 months throughout the whole duration of your lease, it's not actually capped on your miles. Notice when I do throw in valuable input there, that benefits me as the dealership and the finance manager. So I choose when I throw out terminology and terms and miles because it's beneficial for me to throw certain things out. So saying that it's for 36 months, covering the whole lease, you think that you have full coverage, and you do, and unlimited miles. So your 15K lease, you're covered the entire time. And that's good until you do the math. But I got to put the cap back on first to finish the pitch. So let's say anything happens to your tires throughout your drive while you're driving. So throughout the entire duration of your lease, if you hit a pothole, if you damage your tires or wheels, it's actually going to repair or replace those damaged original wheels. Some of the more honest finance managers might actively mention that it does not cover wear or somebody stabbing your tires. That little bit gets left off the majority of the time, and they just talk about what it does cover in a more broad sense. And I never was a finance manager, and I haven't sold cars since 2023, so I'm just kind of shooting off the cuff here. So not only will it cover your tires and wheels, it's also going to cover cosmetic wheel repair. So if you do hit a curb and you scratch your wheels, it actually will pay to cosmetically refinish your wheel and make it look a lot nicer, like new. Unlimited removal of dent, dings, and creases up to the size of a credit card. So that's called paintless dent repair at a lot of places. And basically, if a shopping cart, a softball, baseball, something dings or dents your vehicle in a vertical door, my understanding is it doesn't actually cover the hood, and I would have to read the fine print of the contract. So you have to actually also be fully aware of what you're purchasing. So if a baseball lands on your hood, it may not actually cover if it does leave, a little ding or dent, and it will never cover painting. We also have rental reimbursement up to $50 per occurrence with a max of 1 day. Max of 1 day, $50 per occurrence. I don't even know how you pitch that. You probably just say it has rental reimbursement and bypass the whole $50 a day for 1 day is probably how it gets pitched. I'm actually reading through it, but I imagine it just gets sold instead of talked about. You actually get complimentary motor club membership to the Driver's One card that includes a key replacement benefit. I know I'm clumsy. I lose keys all the time. And this is going to give you key replacement under a complimentary motor club membership. I'm a member of that club, and I'll tell you what, the perks are fabulous. So our base payment, $677 a month, now goes to $738 a month. Reversing the math, the prepaid maintenance, once again, is $385, which is going to cover 2 oil changes on a Honda, not $385, no tire rotations. And the Mile 1 Assurance Plan 4-in-1, $1,750 is what that plan costs. We've helped our clients get them for 7 years on a Porsche for less than that. And a non-luxury high-end vehicle, we've helped clients get for under $1,000 for 7 years. We have a client doing a Volvo lease. I think it was $700 for the 3 years of her lease. It's not even a good plan. It's not even worded well. I don't know what the contract reads like, but that's what you get with the Assurant 4-in-1. So back to that custom plan that I talked to you about, that I custom engineered and put together just for you. So the custom plan actually does keep in the policy the Mile Assurance 4-in-1 plan, which is such a valuable product that all of our clients love. They love it. We know you're going to love it too, because you're going to get so much value out of it. So on top of that custom plan, the Mile 1 Assurance plan that you're getting in your custom plan is an ECP Auto Armor Appearance Protection, which is paint protection. So if you get tree sap, bird droppings, acid rain, it has probably some sort of nanotechnology, diamond shield, ceramic coated interior, exterior protection that's going to go inside the car, outside of the car. So this is the one that most of our clients elect to get because they truly see and appreciate the value that's in the tire and wheel 4-in-1 protection that you've already, said you want. You love it. And the paint protection. That's the custom plan. There's one more that I'll go over with, but I don't really think it's for you. This is something that finance managers will do, is almost say, I don't think you need that one. It's almost there to get you to not choose it because it's so crazy. But by having it on there and pretending to tell you that they don't see the value in it for you, it's almost like you get to feel like they're doing you a service and looking out for your budget, when in fact they're getting you to pick the one that they want you to pick the whole time. We've already established that the Mile 1 Assurance 4-in-1 costs $1,750. Guess how much the Auto Armor Appearance Paint Protection Package costs? Drum roll, $1,750. An absolute money grab. Absolute money grab. Now, it's not called ceramic coating. It's not called paint protection film for $1,750. It's called Auto Armor Appearance Protection for paint protection is what she's written. She literally, the finance manager literally wrote paint protection. Does it come with a warranty? Most of them usually do come with some sort of warranty for minor stains on the exterior of the vehicle, as well as minor gashes in the seats. But $1,750 for paint protection on a lease, you're giving it back. $1,750. I'm all for ceramic coating done by a professional body detail shop. I'm all for paint protection film. Heck, I have both on my car. I believe in those products at the right price, installed by the right people. A car dealership is not the right place to get ceramic coating and paint protection film done. So I'm not really going to spend a lot of time on this final one because it adds almost $200 a month to your lease. And it's just not something that you really need. It has everything in there. And we find for our lease customers, this custom plan that I put together just for you is really the best value for you. So if you just go ahead and sign at the $777 a month, we can go ahead and get this wrapped up and get you out and on your way. Now, that would be if the client was sitting there. In this case, I mean, I went to the default of a client sitting there. But what's not on this sheet is how much this individual garbage costs. I had to reverse the math, which, I mean, it's not a big deal. But nowhere on this sheet does it actually state the individual costs of these items. So $385 for 2 oil changes, $1,750 for 3 years of the Mile 1 Assurant Plus tire and wheel. We used to call it a select protection bundle that covers multiple items, but again, it's significantly more money than it should be, at least double what it should be. Paint protection for $1,750. And then in the final one, there's a vehicle service contract. Didn't even get into that one. A 36-month, 36,000-mile vehicle service contract. What does the car come with? A 36-month, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Why are you trying to sell extended warranties on a car that has one? And lease excessive wear and use. That's the only potentially valuable product, depending upon its price. And client sent this to me, very quickly reviewed it, said, I don't mind the tire and wheel bundle protection that comes with the key and the alloy and the cosmetic, but not from them. If it's something of interest, I can help you get it for probably less than half of what this dealership is asking for. And we've done that.